Knowing where to start with your on-page SEO can be a complicated task. There's so many pages oftentimes on your website that you don't know where to begin. What I would encourage you to do is take an index of your most valuable pages, and those are usually in your menu. Start there. So, for example, on our site, our service pages are our most valuable pages. We call those our money pages. And it's very important that you do a couple different things with your money pages, or if you're a B2B service provider, these are often your service pages. While if you're an e-commerce store, these would be your most valuable products. You're going to want to make sure you have those in your menu. You're also going to want to make sure you focus on these for your on-page SEO. Now here's a couple of things you can do today that'll make an impact. Improve your titles. Titles have a big impact on the click-through rate of your page in the search engine results page. So if you've been normally ranking number 8 for a keyword, and you can improve your titles and show that statistically you have a better click-through rate than other results that are ranking number 8 currently, Google is going to say, wow, this result is more desirable on average than other results in this number 8 position. We should test to see what happens if we raise it up and if people still find that value. So they're using this kind of testing model to determine which pages within their top results offer the most valuable information to their searchers. Now, a way to optimize for that, and that's very practical and it's an easy tactic, is to use parentheses. With these parentheses, you're going to want to put in the information that you think is most valuable to a searcher. So you don't want to trick them or focus on clickbait, but instead offer and entice them to earn the click by kind of preluding what they want to know is going to be on that page. So for us, we have our keywords in the beginning, so it's top SEO services, agency, and consulting. But then we remove our brand name and we put in parentheses case studies to prove it. Now maybe you're an e-commerce store and you might put top virgin hair bundles, parentheses, over 55 plus 5-star reviews. Now the key here is that obviously for B2B, they care about case studies. For e-commerce, they care about product reviews. You need to understand what your searcher cares about most and then entice them to earn the click by preluding what's going to be on that page. Point number 2 is you're going to want to integrate these core pages into the body of your homepage. The body of your homepage is often the strongest page on your site. It has the highest page authority and usually has the most traffic. You're going to want to be able to send people from this page to what we would call before your money pages. Not only is that good for referral traffic from your own site, but it also then assigns link value that flows through your homepage into these core pages. Number 3, you're going to want to improve the design and the speed of your core pages that are in the menu. If these pages are loading slow, you're going to have a high bounce rate, pogo sticking, and other negative behavioral signals going to Google. The other part you want to improve is the design. Oftentimes, there's old school SEO tactics, which would be very text-heavy pages. Instead of having text-heavy pages, focus on telling your story with a better design. Maybe use infographics, elements, images, different layouts, but try to create a more enticing page that helps build an emotional appeal with your visitor as well. And then lastly, do your keyword research. There's a lot of different tools out there. Recently, Google Keyword Planner has throttled a lot of their data, and it's made it kind of in ranges that aren't that accurate. Instead, I would recommend using Moz's tool. It's a little bit a month, but it's definitely worth the research. So get your data, make the best decisions, and you can start to target the right keywords on your core pages. So to summarize, first and foremost, improve your titles and your click-through rate, integrate to the body of your homepage, improve your site speed and design, and do great keyword research. If you do that, you're going to have some great on-page SEO and improve your rankings. Best of luck.